Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is about our kids. Our kids and how with the help of water we can do so many things in their life. We can bring those changes which we always complain about, that my child is not good enough, my child is not good in studies, is not listening, is not eating properly, not sleeping properly, too talkative, too shy. So many things. As a parents or a caretaker, we talk about children and we want them to have all these qualities in their life. This is a continuation of my water series, and if you haven't seen my previous video, I would highly recommend you to watch them first and then only come back to this video. Okay, let's discuss why it is important. As a parent and caretaker, we have a very huge responsibility to look after our children, to find the best in them and to dig out that best part in them and to flourish it and to nourish it. So as a parent, we have a very big responsibility, and at times we forget that. At times we start complaining. At times we start saying, oh, you are not listening, you are not good enough, oh, you are not talking. Or sometimes you are saying you are talking too much, you are too smart, you are too this, you are. All the you are adding to, it becomes their life. Whatever they are listening from you as their parents, they believe in it. You choose. What do you want to add with this you? You are smart, you are intelligent, you are brave, you are kind, you are generous, you are artistic, you are beautiful, you are compassionate, you are full of gratitude, you are the best child in the whole world. Or you dash, not good enough, not kind, not listening, I'm really upset with you, you made me do this. What are your choices? What is it you want to do? First choose that one. Now we will start how, with the help of water, we can mold, change, and bring out the best in our children. First choose what do you really want to work on. Is it the habit? Is it the behavior? What is it you are really worried about? Is it the sleep habit or a study or whatever the habit or whatever they are doing in their life? What are you worried about? What is it you're concerned about? Or what is it something you want to enhance? So choose that one. And once you know it, whenever you are making their water bottle, giving them water, you are putting that energy, you are putting that vibration, you are giving them that love energy from your side. And every time you are visualizing that your child is the best in everything. If your child has any issues, any health condition, any mental condition, anything, first of all accept it, that this is the situation. And now we are going to work on it. We are going to put lots of love energy. We are going to put lots of belief. Once you make that decision that my child is not going to be like this for the rest of her or his life, is the time to work on it. Every time you are giving them water, you are putting that energy, that vibration. I know it can get really tiring, but what is it you really want? Because remember, water has memory. Water will remember everything you are saying to the water. So when the water is going inside your child's body, the body is going to remember and the body is going to work that way. In this process, there is one big thing you need to remember. Stop complaining. Stop telling too many people about what's happening in your life, in your child's life. It is hard, but it would be worth it. Stop saying the bad things. Stop saying that my child is not listening. Because you must have said it 10,000 times. You think there is a chance of your child to listen to you? No. Change your terminology. Change the way you are talking to the child. And then you will see the change. Also, one very big important thing to remember is, remember your child is watching you. Your child is watching while you are telling others about them. and that makes a very big impact. Only main condition is stop talking about it. Stop saying about it in your mind to others and to the child. And now start talking about how you want your child to be. Every time you are creating something for them, every time you are talking about them, praise them, tell them how much you love them, how much they mean to you. And especially while you are giving them water, make sure you are giving lots of positive energy, lots of positive words, healthy, happy, prosperous, intelligent, kind, compassionate. So many positive words you can use for your child. Tell them lovely words. And who doesn't like praise? We all love praise. Praise them as much as possible. No, they will not get spoiled. They will in fact love it. Praise, praise, praise as much as you can. Praise them for everything they are not doing. Praise them that, oh my God, you are such a nice person. You are studying so well. You are listening so nicely. The more you praise, the more you say this uplifting word, it is going to change it. So when you have the water in your hand, you are giving it lots of positive energy, lots of love, lots of positive vibration, and give it to your child. If at all there are times when they are upset and you are giving them water, make sure you are not giving that worry and stress energy. Because as a parents, we tend to be stressed and we tend to worry about our children. And what happens is while making their food, while giving them water, we tend to put that energy without even knowing. And the same energy is going inside the child. And that's why you will notice children behave like their parents. Children imitate like their parents. Keep charging your children's water bottle, their water, juice, anything which is going in their body. Keep giving them beautiful, lovely vibration. And you will see the difference. If you want, play a game where you both are charging the water and make it like a family ritual. Or even you can start like 31 days challenge with your family or give them rewards. Do something which makes it fun for them and involve your child into this journey too, because it would be so beautiful if they start doing it for themselves. I really hope you like this video, and if you haven't yet, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you. There is a butterfly here trying to come to me. Hello, what's your plan? It is tickling me. Thank you.